Class 4. Today I'm going to make you write the MCQ on the chimney sweeper. This is the revision for PT9 on English. This is a revision class in English on PT9. So first of all, you open your copy, all of you. You take out your English literature copy. Okay. All of you take out your English literature copy and write classwork. Then here you write the date today. Left hand side classwork and right hand side you write today's date 27 Jan 21, and in the middle you write the heading MCQs on you write the heading MCQs on chapter 13, the chimney sweeper. Okay, this will be the heading. लिख लो अपने कॉपी में. Write down. Left hand side classwork, right hand side date, today's date, and in the middle heading MCQs on chapter 13, the chimney sweeper. This is the revision video. Okay, this is the revision class for PT9. अब देख लो किस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा. ये आपको भी पता है कि PT9 में देयर इट विल बी MCQs question. Question will be based on MCQ. So write down whatever I am writing down here. The first MCQ is how old was the narrator when his mother died? Options I'm giving you. "12 to 14 years, 10 years, Now the first MCQ, how old was the narrator when his mother died? Option A, 12 to 14 years. Option B, 8 to 10 years. Option C, 6 to 8 years, or option D, 15 to 16 years? Hmm? And the correct answer is option C, 6 to 8 years. Okay. I hope you are writing in your copy. आशा है आप सभी कॉपी में लिख रहे होंगे. Now I am writing question 2. So question number MCQ number 2 is, who sold the narrator to the chimney factory owner? Options are A, his uncle, B, his mother, C, his grandfather, or D, his father. So the correct answer is D, his father. Okay. Now go to the third question. आई होप तुम लोग कॉपी में उतार रहे हो. कॉपी में लिखना है आप लोगों को. जैसे जैसे मैं लिख रहा हूँ कॉपी में लिखो. PT9 का क्वेश्चन ऐसा ही आएगा, MCQ आएगा. रिमेंबर. ओके. Now, MCQ 3. Who is the poet of the poem The Chimney Sweeper? Options are A. Robert Frost, B. William Tell, C. William Black, or Wordsworth. Hmm? So, what is the correct answer? Now, question MCQ 3. Who is the poet of the chimney sweeper? A. William Tell, B. William Wordsworth, B. C. Robert Frost, or William Black? The correct answer is William Blake. Write down, write down. Now, next question. Question 4. Now, question number 4. MCQ number 4. Who had released, who had, actually had मत करो, वो है, हाँ वो है, ठीक है, रिलीज कर दो, RELEASED, इसको डी कर देना है, RELEASED. Who had released the boys from the coffins? Options are A, an angel, B, an imp, C, a fairy, or D, a genie. And the correct answer is A, an angel. Okay. Now take MCQ question number 5. So MCQ number 5 is the life of the chimney sweepers were dash. The options are A comfortable, B measurable, C joyful, or D nice. The correct answer is B measurable. Chalo. So I have given all the this type of MCQ will come in the PT9. इस तरह का MCQ आएंगे PT9 में. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू हैव रिटन डाउन इन योर कॉपी. अच्छे से पोएम को मैंने तो समझा ही दिया, अच्छे से समझना. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो यू कैन आस्क मी. इस तरह का MCQ PT9 में आएगा. इसी तरह का MCQ क्वेश्चंस PT9 में आएगा इंग्लिश में और बाकी सब सब्जेक्ट में भी. ओके, नाउ हियर आई एम एंडिंग माय क्लास.